The HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets is a thoughtfully designed automotive accessory that addresses a common but often overlooked problem: maintaining cleanliness and organization inside your vehicle. This product has garnered significant attention and praise, as evidenced by over 50,000 customer ratings averaging 4.5 stars, making it the #1 automotive garbage can on Amazon. Its success can be attributed to a combination of practical features, durability, and excellent customer service. One of the key features of the HOTOR Car Trash Can is its adjustable strap and collapsible shape, which allow for versatile placement within the vehicle. The strap can be attached to the front or back headrest or the center console, providing easy access for all passengers. This flexibility ensures that the trash can fit well in various car types, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. The collapsible design also means that when not in use, the trash can be folded flat, saving space and adding to its convenience. The inclusion of magnetic snaps inside the trash can is a standout innovation. These 4 metallic snaps secure the trash bags in place, making bag replacement quick and hassle-free. Unlike traditional car trash cans where bags might slip or require extra effort to secure, the magnetic snaps allow users to unsnap and snap the bags in just 2 simple steps. This feature not only improves usability, but also helps keep the trash can clean and odor-free by ensuring bags stay firmly in place. Durability and leak-proof functionality are critical for any car trash can, and HOTOR excels in this regard. The inner lining is made from waterproof and abrasion-resistant polyester, which prevents leaks and makes cleaning straightforward. Users report that even food spills and stubborn stains can be easily wiped off or washed away, ensuring the trash can remains hygienic and odor-free. This material choice also contributes to the product's longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for long-term use. Beyond its primary function as a trash container, the HOTOR Car Trash Can offers multi-purpose utility. It can double as a storage bag for items such as cups, toys, and other car accessories. Its waterproof nature even allows it to serve as a cooler for short trips, adding to its versatility. This adaptability makes it a valuable addition to any vehicle, especially for families or individuals who spend a lot of time on the road. The product dimensions are compact yet sufficient, measuring approximately 5.5 inches in length, 7.9 inches in width, and 10.2 inches in height, with a capacity of 2 gallons. This size strikes a balance between being unobtrusive and having enough volume to hold a reasonable amount of trash without frequent emptying. Many users appreciate that it does not interfere with passenger space or driving comfort. Installation is straightforward due to the adjustable strap, and the trash can clips easily onto the back of a passenger seat headrest or other convenient locations. This ease of installation is often highlighted in customer reviews, with many praising how simple it is to reach back and dispose of trash without taking their eyes off the road. The lid with a zipper closure is another practical feature that keeps trash contained, even on bumpy rides, preventing spills and maintaining a tidy appearance. Customer feedback consistently emphasizes the product's effectiveness in keeping cars clean and organized. Users report that it is perfect for daily commutes, road trips, and errands. The outside pockets add extra storage space for small items, enhancing the product's utility. Some customers have purchased multiple units for use in different vehicles, indicating high satisfaction and trust in the brand. One notable aspect of the HOTOR experience is the exceptional customer service. Several users have shared stories about their interactions with HOTOR's support team, particularly with a representative named Lily, who has been praised for her responsiveness and willingness to assist at any hour. This level of customer care enhances the overall value of the product and builds consumer confidence. There are minor concerns reported, such as an initial chemical odor upon opening the product described as similar to cigarette smoke or burning rubber. However, this smell dissipates after airing out the trash can for a few days, and no lingering odor remains once in use. This is a common issue with many new products made from synthetic materials and does not detract significantly from the overall quality. In summary, the HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets is a durable, leak-proof, and highly functional accessory that improves vehicle cleanliness and organization. Its adjustable and collapsible design, magnetic snaps for bag security, waterproof lining, and multi-purpose use make it a standout product in its category. The excellent customer service further enhances the ownership experience. For anyone looking to keep their car tidy and clutter-free, this trash can is an excellent choice. The product link is available in the description, and leaving your own review can help others make informed decisions.